This humidifier is the humidity king. With a 1.7 gallon tank, it's basically the Niagara Falls of humidifiers. It can handle rooms up to 600 square feet. So if you've got a baby's room, a living room, or even a small jungle, this bad boy can turn it into a tropical paradise. It's whisper quiet, so you'll forget it's even on, except for when you realize you're breathing like you're in a spa. And with a remote control and digital display, you can feel like a tech wizard adjusting the humidity from across the room. You'll be like, hey Google, oh wait, I have a remote for that. Plus, this thing lasts up to 96 hours. That's 4 days of cool mist without lifting a finger. Did I mention the aroma tray? Pop in your favorite scent and suddenly your house smells like a fancy hotel lobby. Goodbye dry air. Hello luxury. If you want to turn your home into a humid oasis without the sound of a mini jet engine, this is the one. Get ready for air so fresh you'll consider moving in permanently. Okay, we'll catch you again soon. Bye for now.